Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. You can start by going into Tab menu and clicking on those three dots located on the right of your brightness slider. Then tap on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to switch it on or off, and save your changes by hitting done at the bottom right corner. You can also go into devices settings, scroll down just a bit and click on display. Then click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!